Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Exploring contemporary chair design trends opens a window to a world of innovation and inspiration of your home decor. These trends encompass a wide area of styles, materials, and features that cater to various design preferences and lifestyle needs. One of the prevailing trends is the focus on ergonomic designs that prioritize both comfort and aesthetics. Chairs with adjustable features, lumbar support, and high quality upholstery are becoming more popular as people seek comfort in their daily lives. Materials used in contemporary chair designs vary, ranging from sustainable options like bamboo and recycled materials to more traditional choices like leather and metal. This diversity allows for a wide range of design possibilities that can harmonize with their existing decor. The incorporation of multifunctional chairs is also on the rise. These chairs offer versatility, serving as both a seating solution and a decorative piece, contributing to a more space efficient and organized living environment. Minimalist and sleek designs remain a favorite for those who appreciate a clean and uncultured look, while more ornate and detailed chairs are favored for adding a touch of opulence and luxury. In conclusion, contemporary chair design trends serve as a source of inspiration for those looking to infuse their living spaces with comfort, style, and practicality. By staying in comfort about these evolving trends, you can select chairs that align with your taste and lifestyle, creating a more comfortable and aesthetically pleasing home environment. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.